Hello guys, kali ni aku nak share dekat korang self reflection on macam mana cara-cara untuk kau menang dalam hidup. How if you given in a situation, macam mana how would you best climb the position daripada apa yang kau ada sekarang, and try untuk be more successful daripada situasi yang kau ada sekarang. So one of the things yang aku perasan selama aku cuba dalam proses ni untuk cuba climb up the ladder, not necessarily in corporate, tapi lebih kepada life in general. Say for example, aku jenis orang yang try to start build my own media content in aviation, general aviation particularly. So one of the key things yang aku perasan is you need to reach out people that have same interest dengan you, and some of those people diorang are not within dalam you guys punya group, dalam you punya group. So maybe aku gunakan example, just a whiteboard. Say this is you. Alright, so this is you, and then say this is your circle. So ini adalah you punya circle, dan aku boleh kata most of the time, if you want to be successful, most of the time ini, okay, this one is bentuk star shape, dan let's represent star shape ni sebagai your mindset yang mana you want to be successful, right? So star shape is successful mindset. Okay, and this is your circle. Circle maksudnya kawan, family and friends, cousin. Those are people yang dalam lingkungan you lah, yang you selalu keluar atau berjumpa ataupun socialize with. And aku boleh kata most of the time, most of the people yang ada dalam circle you ni bukan jenis yang korang nak tahu. Those are, contohnya kalau Bulat ni just a normal person lah, just a normal person, and then you ada dekat dalam ni, dan you are the star in your circle. And to be successful, walaupun you have a successful mindset, you tak boleh ubah someone else to be successful mindset kalau diorang tak nak ubah. So there's no, contohnya you have 4 friends, right? So you ada kat sini, and then there are 4 circles. Circles ni bermaksudnya kawan. So you have 4 friends. There's no way to change diorang daripada bulat pergi ke star to be successful. There's no such thing. I would say it's close to impossible untuk cuba convert some of your friends jadi successful kalau diorang tak ada, they don't have that mindset. So walau macam mana you guys cuba sekalipun, there's no way untuk train them to be successful kalau they don't want to be successful. So diorang akan just stay within, become a circle saja. So aku punya, apa yang aku buat is, you need to find someone luar daripada you punya circle lah. You need to, the challenge yang you ada if you want to be successful in life is to do this. Keluar daripada you punya circle, go out from your punya circle, then try to find some other people who have other share interest dengan you. Some of them are really far away, but you can find them. Those are the people yang you patut keluar daripada circle you and reach them and introduce yourself as someone yang maybe have the same interest dengan diorang, and you want to be successful together with them. So this is life. Ini apa yang aku nampak. Aku nampak kawan, I see a lot of situation where friends, diorang cuba to build business together, diorang cuba untuk set up the business, but it become apparent that kebanyakan daripada diorang hanyalah circle, and there's one person, most of the situation ada seorang je kawan yang memang betul-betul nak jadi successful, and dia cuba tarik kawan-kawan dia yang lain to be successful juga. Maybe start the business, start online based ataupun anything, coaching, service. They try to convert kawan diorang to have the same mindset macam diorang, which is macam apa yang aku tunjuk tadi, to be star juga dalam circle. But tak boleh. Dia takkan tahan lama. Maybe dalam 2-3 bulan lepas tu, if they don't have that mindset, dia akan patah balik jadi circle. So your challenge, if you want to be successful in life, salah satunya is to find someone. This is the biggest challenge yang you ada lah, if you want as a person, is anak panah ni. Anak panah ni menunjukkan apa? Anak panah ni menunjukkan you try your best, making your best effort untuk keluar daripada your comfort zone, which is your circle, and try meet more people and shake more hands. So that's how I see it, and then that's how you see me a lot of times keluar daripada circle aku and go out there to Japan, jumpa balik kawan lama, which is a pilot, and fly dengan diorang dalam kapal. And then there's some random person which is a private pilot juga, the base dekat Singapore, and then they offer untuk as a backseat dekat dalam dia punya kapal, do a sortie around Seletar. So yang itu pun aku buat. So these are the effort yang aku cuba buat untuk dapatkan gain as much people who are same like minded macam aku, yang berada luar daripada circle aku. So this is what you need to do. Converting your friends yang berada, this is you, converting your friends yang berada dalam circle you, most of the time I would say 99.9% tak akan menjadi. Kalau diorang tak ada the same mindset as you, you will not go far. The best option, the best thing you can do is push yourself beyond your comfort zone and cuba cari someone who have the same mindset macam you. So these are the things yang if you are still young, kalau korang masih muda, maybe 20 years old, try to cuba hadamkan apa yang aku cakap ni and cuba implement benda ni in your life and in your career. Sebab I would say changing one person punya mindset is really hard. They will change the mindset eventually, but after berlaku some tragic event dalam hidup diorang, and then they say okay, I need to change. But until that time happen, until that time come, it's best to just find the person yang ada that same mindset as you. So yeah, I will try to share some more tips yang ada how to win in life. Kalau korang ada komen, macam biasa you can just comment and subscribe for more content. Aku buat banyak content pasal general aviation. If you like, you can like and subscribe to my video. Thank you.